So the okay, so the pasta is finished. So we've got it in here, all nice and strained. So I'm adding a little bit of olive oil to the bottom. Add the pasta in, and add a splash more to the top. I don't want too much, just enough to give it that, so it doesn't stick together and gives it that little bit of flavour. So let me grab a wooden spoon. Now I've turned the hot plate off at this point, but I am using the warm hot plate that we just had. And now I'm going to add in the Spanish onion and the sultanas. I'm going to add in a couple of decent teaspoons of the wholegrain mustard. And now we're going to add in the beautiful little fresh cherry tomatoes straight from my garden. We're going to add a little bit of salt. So good. So good. I'm going to add a little bit of greenery to each plate before I add in the salad mix. Oh, are you? Thank you so much, beautiful.
Thank you, and have a great Easter.
Of course. It's
Yeah.
Easter tomorrow, my goodness me. Thank you, darling. That's awesome. And you've done a beautiful job again.
Great. Thank you so much.
Thanks. Have a good Easter.
You too.
And I still have a little bit left over. I hope you've tried this recipe, and if you enjoy it, let me know in the comments below. And otherwise, give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Until we see you on the next one, have a great week. Bye now.